Unlock the secret to a powerhouse breakfast that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also kickstarts your journey to a sculpted physique. Dive into the world of muscle-building nutrition as we explore the dynamic duo of eggs and steak. Packed with protein punch, essential amino acids, and a nutritional symphony that spells gains, this breakfast combo is your ticket to a stronger, healthier you. Join us on a journey through the science behind eggs and steak, unraveling the delicious path to muscle mass mastery. Get ready to revolutionize your mornings and transform your body, because breakfast just got a whole lot more exciting. Protein content. Both eggs and steak are excellent sources of high-quality protein. Protein is crucial for muscle growth and repair. It provides the essential amino acids necessary for building and maintaining muscle mass. Essential amino acids. Eggs and steak contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them complete protein sources. These amino acids are important for various bodily functions, including muscle protein synthesis. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs. Steak, in particular, is rich in branched-chain amino acids, leucine, isoleucine, and valine. Leucine, in particular, plays a key role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis, making it an important component for those looking to build muscle. Nutrient density. Eggs are nutrient-dense and provide a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, vitamin B12, choline, and selenium. These nutrients play important roles in overall health and can support optimal bodily function, including muscle health. Satiety. Protein-rich foods tend to be more satisfying and can help with appetite control. Including protein in your breakfast can contribute to feeling fuller for longer, potentially reducing overall calorie intake throughout the day. Iron and zinc. Red meat like steak is a good source of iron and zinc. Iron is essential for transporting oxygen in the blood, while zinc is involved in immune function and protein synthesis. Omega-3 fatty acids in eggs. Some eggs, especially those labeled as omega-3 enriched, contain omega-3 fatty acids. These are beneficial for heart health and can have anti-inflammatory effects. Energy source. Both eggs and steak provide a good source of energy, which is important for fueling your body, including your muscles, especially if you engage in physical activity or exercise. While eggs and steak can be part of a muscle-building diet, it's important to maintain a balanced and varied diet. Consider incorporating a mix of protein sources, including lean meats, poultry, fish, dairy, legumes, and plant-based proteins. Additionally, pair your protein sources with a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats for a well-rounded and nutritionally complete diet. Consulting with a nutritionist or healthcare professional can provide personalized advice based on individual needs and goals.